Hi guys, today I got some new haul for the first time in a long time. The last day of the year I went to this shop here in France. It's called Bougier et Play, and I got to use my 10% discounts. My discounts. I saved 8.87 euro. I got this for when I will try again to do my I don't know. I got this slab of stone from my last trip to Bretagne. I might paint something on it. So that's the first item that I bought. Cute little thing. I don't know how much that cost here. Yeah, I think it's this rouleau à peindre mousse, 145. That's not very cheap, huh? Okay, and then I got this bamboo brush, this Chinese calligraphy goat brush. I'm just curious to try this brush that I might put some calligraphy with. I actually have another one here that I bought before from Jackson's. It's I think it's goat hair as well, and it's travel one. I don't remember how much this costs. I haven't really used it that much though. But maybe this year I will try again with calligraphy, especially since I got a gift from some calligraphy brushes that I got from my friend for a Christmas gift. And this Chinese calligraphy brush, how much is it? Let's see. Pinceau Lumière. It's 580. Also, I got some new Daniel Smith paint, Potter's Pink. I used to have something of this color from a box of set palettes. I forgot the brand, but I sold that one because I have too many other set palettes that I use. Daniel Smith Potter's Pink is quite expensive. It's 19.95 here, 19.95 euro, which I only got for 17.95 with my student discount. Oh, I forgot to say that it's my student discount because, as you know, I've started taking a master's degree. These are the colors in it. Okay, excited to try that one. It's a nice autumn color. And I also got blue because I like blue. This one is lapis lazuli. I was recently in Santorini and I was inspired by these lapis lazuli stones, like the one that I'm wearing right now. I didn't get this from Santorini. I got a nice necklace, but that's the color, I think. It's really nice, and I'm excited to try it out. And these are the pigments in it. No, that's not the one. Yeah, here. Okay. Yeah. And this one, it's probably more expensive because it's blue. I got it for, it's 23.95 euro, and I got for 21.55. Also, just because it's holidays and I have finished my exams, hopefully I can try out all these nice new sketchbook. I have been using for the longest time a Moleskine sketchbook and the Perfect sketchbook from Etcher Lab. So this is the one that I've been using for a long time. It's size A5, perfect sketchbook. It's a lot of sketches in it, and it's almost full. There you go. And also I've been using this Moschini, same size, 5. I quite like the smooth surface. It's not quite as thick. This one's from Pigments. I use this a lot for most of the practice. So for this bamboo sketchbook, Mule, it comes from Germany. It's 14.50, but I got it for €3.05. So I'm gonna try this one of these days. Maybe I'll open it. It says it's 90% bamboo fiber and 10% cotton rag. 15 sheets. You can see the thickness. It's 265 grams per meter square. That should be fine for practice. I'm just interested because it says bamboo paper, and I just wanted to try it out. So there, and this one's the Rouge Replay brand, 20 grams, 100% cotton. It feels smoother than the bamboo one. This one's a block, which is quite practical. And this one, the last one is Cinnamon. It's 240 grams. Extra strong drawing paper for all techniques. It says it's a French brand. I have some Cinnamon pigment myself, but I don't think I've ever tried a Cinnamon paper before, so I'm quite curious. Oh, this is smooth. That's not a block. Thank you so much for watching. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.